Unfortunately, my neighbors lost their barn over the holidays. Some kids were playing with fireworks, and one went in the barn and burned it down. Uh, they called me and asked me if I'd help them clean it up, and I told them, of course, and just let me have the metal out of there, and we'll call it good. And anyway, so we made a pit stop here instead of going to our next job, which it shouldn't take too long. I'll get it all burning today and finish it up tomorrow. But let's walk around in here and see what all we got. They told me I could have anything in here, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, got it good. A couple round bells there in the middle. I'm not sure what all this was. Doesn't look like too much was over here. Some gates, boom pole for a tractor. Here's a pretty nice disc. I asked him about it. I said, hey, you sure, you know? And he said, yeah, get rid of it. He said one of the gangs is broke, which I see a few discs broke. It may need bearings, but overall, I think that's a pretty sweet deal. It's definitely not hurt. Everything looks good. Nothing's real rusted up. We got all these panels here too. I think I'm gonna set them out for them. They mentioned they may want to keep those. Those are expensive new. But yeah, we're gonna get all this tin off. Take all the metal and pile it up. And then also all these trees, we're gonna take those down too. That they got burnt, and it's just privet hedge and brush. No good wood in here. We're gonna pile all these trees in the middle here and finish burning in this spot, and then we're gonna dig a hole and cover up the ashes, and we'll be through with this one. All right, y'all, let's get this thing knocked out. Shouldn't take us too awful long. I'm gonna go over here and warm the Mini up, and got the Dozer sitting up there on the hill, so we're ready. Y'all just hang tight and enjoy the video, and if you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and like the video, and let's get it done. Jobs like this is when you be glad you bought that excavator with a cab on it. Look at that old hay. It's hard to put that old hay out. Alright, let's see if we can get this load. I think this is a trailer. Let's see if we can get it out of here without tearing it up. To it. There's some nails on the back of the trailer there. Let's go ahead and try to shake those off. We don't need them nails. It's not a bad little trailer. It's got some iron on it. I may take it to the house. I can cut it up, make something out of it if I need to. It's got some good channel on it. I'll just go ahead and set it over here on the back side of the tin for now. We'll make a decision on that before we put them in the truck. Because I know I got to get that disc back to the house. It ain't going to the scrapyard. We got a boom pole right here for a tractor. Pick this disc up without tearing it up. Or at least be able to pull it. get a chain put on it. My desk at the house is a lot bigger than this, but I can pick it up pretty good with my excavator. I'm praying I'm gonna break this one. I might have it now. Oh yeah. We just gotta go slow. Didn't even tear it up. Look at there. Look at you, boy. Alright, let's get down in here and get the rest of the stuff and get some trees down, get it burning. So check out this boom pole. Try to hook it right here on the edge. Much to that boom pole. Somebody may need it though. It's got a little tractor, so we'll just hang on to it. Oh, fire's lighting back up pretty good. So you gotta be careful with hay. Takes a long time to put a hay bale out. Just trying to push my way in here where I get straightened up on these panels, where I can grab them without tearing them up. Up next to this old hackberry tree right here. Or lay them down rather. Yeah, it's a lot of tin on these old barns. Big bucket on here. It's kind of harder to do some of this with a big bucket. You don't have near a fingertip bite with things. The old wide bucket. There we go. That's pretty much everything we're going to keep. I'll get the rest of this tin as I start getting these trees down, getting burned up. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing to burn. Some of the hay bale's still on fire. I got a lot of the trees down. You see there's probably 3 or 4 big ones right here and a little brush in between, so we about got it all. Let's see if we can get this stuff to burning, and let's get it done. All right, we got the fire going good. She's burning on up. Still got a bunch of tin to deal with and little stuff. About to jump on the bulldozer and just straighten the job up real good and get everything nice and neat and piled up, and we'll be about through with this thing. All right, sun's going down. We about did all we could do for today. I think it looks pretty good. We got a pile right here to deal with. We got our scrap over there. They said they didn't want the gates. Got a trailer load of scrap tin over there they're going to give me for doing this. And got all the trees in this little contained pile. I think everything's going to be just fine. Got them pushed up fairly tight. When it don't burn, I'll stack back up in the morning. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So anyway, next time y'all are shooting bottle rockets, keep them away from the barn, or this is what you have to go through. They still got to find them some more hay and figure out what they're going to do about a barn. I hate it, but it is what it is. Anyway, see y'all in the morning. Good morning, we're back. Let's get this disc loaded up and this boom pole. We're gonna carry that to the house, and I need to get down here and stack this fire up. I'm gonna let it burn just a little bit more. We're gonna go ahead and get the metal out of that, and then all we have left to do is dig a hole and bury the ashes and smooth everything up, and we're out of here. So let's get to it. We got them attachments hauled off. We're about to finish this up. dozer warm up, and then we're going to spread out this dirt right here, and we're through. Come back in the morning after that pile of scrap, and on to the next one. All right, we got this one finished up. Got it done. I'm just gonna haul that scrap off tomorrow, but we got everything buried and got the dirt spread back out. It turned out pretty good, and y'all be careful playing with fireworks, because you can burn some shit down. So anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next job.